programs. Atari here, you there, and if you like watching him, her, him, or her, then you'll probably dig this channel. So hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. Now let's roll. This is a Raspberry Pi 3A Plus that I have got to figure out how to get some sound off of. Now, the easiest way to get sound off a Raspberry Pi is just plugging in a set of headphones to the little 3.5 millimeter jack on there. But this isn't exactly gonna work for this particular project because I need it to be, well, audible. I need to have a speaker connected to the Raspberry Pi. Oh, by the way, this video is part of a series documenting a project for Element 14 Presents. So check out the show notes down in the doobly-doo that'll take you over there, the electronics engineering community where you can connect and collaborate with top engineers from around the world. Do check it out and click on element14.com/presents and I will see you over there. Now, the easiest way to pull sound off of this board is simply to tap into the contacts on this 3.5 millimeter jack. And right here on the back, you have what is essentially the ground and the positive for one of the speaker channels. So we're just going to tap into that, run that into our amplifier, and we'll be able to pump some sound into one of my little speakers. Okay, so I have my leads soldered in. Now I'm going to add this little Adafruit stereo Class D amplifier in. So we'll plug that in, we'll get our speaker running out here, and then we will be in business to run some video. Okay, so we've got the amplifier and our little speaker all wired in, soldered together. Now it's time to test this thing. So hold on to your butts. It's working. It's working. All right, fantastic. So that works. It's quiet, but that's all I really need for this project. In the meantime, connect with me on Instagram at @TheAirborneSurfer or simply AirborneSurfer on Twitter. Down here, link to the show notes. Find all the information you need to put all this together right there. Subscribe over here, and here is a video that YouTube thinks you will probably enjoy. My name is Atari, and until next time, tally ho, y'all.